What up, what up? Welcome back to another video, guys. Man, it's been the last couple of days. I got sick after the last video, guys. I was not feeling well. I got the bad allergies, but we back. I got some good stuff, guys. I haven't worked on a car, so let me put it like that. But I got something that's outside the garage. I need to have it in here because the weather's starting to get really cold and really foggy at nighttime, and I honestly don't want to be working outside. Here, while pull stuff, we can use the light in here, but this is a mess. I'm gonna leave it like this for now until we have the other car part on the other car, and that's right, another car. So we will show you guys what we got. It was a too good to pass up deal, but a little sketchy for the most part. The guy seemed legit. Guy lived close by, so it's not too far. But we went ahead and cleared up all this section right here. We still got a couple more things to clean up. The goal is going to be to move this car a little more that way, and then also bring in the other car right here. We got Hatch right there. He just found his tennis ball. Couple hours, but we're finally done. We had to move some stuff around the house, and we also got the cars in here. But there isn't just one car in here, guys. Now there's two. So this is our WRX sedan, and then that's the wagon one we got. Let me show you why we got this car. So this is currently what we're working with. There's a lot of cut wires. There's a lot of things that are going wrong with this car that I don't like, and I just think that need to be fixed and work on, especially if we're trying to make this car as stock as possible. There's some things that I want to make sure that are good on this car, especially fire hazards and things that can cause problems down the roads. Fortunately for us, I think we're going to be able to do it because we have this one now. So this one was a Facebook market buy. The gentleman had it. He actually lived really close to the house, and we were able to come up on a pretty good deal. So we're going to be swapping a lot of this stuff over to that car. It's actually a WRX Impreza vehicle. Should have exactly the same things that this car needs. She has a lot of the original things, and this is one of the things that I really love. And especially, what's up, Hatch? How you doing? Especially when it comes down to it, a lot of the original stuff from this car we're gonna put onto this one. Intake box, we're gonna swap out the ABS module, windshield wiper fluid reservoir, and then we're also gonna be swapping the harnesses. This bash bar is good here. I'm most likely gonna be taking this one, swapping it over to that one. The lights on this one work pretty good. I know the lights work because the harness was on. We're going to be taking this harness that goes all the way to the fuse box, to the batteries, all that we're going to be taking from this one and putting it on that one. Now, these are also the original seats to this car, where I'm going to be keeping as extras because they're actually really comfortable. It has a lot of the interior pieces in here, and there's some extra goodies in the back. Especially the steering wheel, this is something I want to put. Quick release, it looks cool on there. It's not safe. I don't want to drive with it, and especially if I'm going to have my wife driving it, I don't want any of that to be on there. So we will be putting this on with the airbag, so I know at least we have some safety. We're first going to disconnect the battery, and we're going to start pulling off the dash. This whole bucket, or it's just this whole container right here of parts from the inside of the car. I'm really happy that I was able to pull a lot of these good parts off. Unfortunately, one part did break, and I was towards the end, but it's something we could replace with other stuff. All right, looking on the inside right here, we completely have the dash and the center console just out. We have the steering wheel here. I haven't taken off the steering wheel because we're still gonna need to move the car around. So far, this is gonna be the first step of getting this car taken apart, and we're gonna continue to do so. So I will catch up with you guys, which will be the next day.